Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology Inbuilt. In last video we unboxed this Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 and checked some of the specifications. So in this video I'm going to review this device. So let's get started. So this is the 4GB variant, of which the price is the 12,000 rupees. So in this phone you are getting a 18:9 aspect full HD plus display with a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. So this is a good thing that you are getting a 18:9 aspect display in this price range. But the bezels are not as much as smaller we wanted in this phone. So this is the plus point and the minus point also. So the second thing which comes is the camera. So the rear camera of this phone is 12 megapixel. There were no improvement in the camera. The quality was same. Even the front camera quality was same. But the plus point which was added, which was a flash. Next comes the processor. The processor is as same as the Redmi Note 4, which is a Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor. There were no improvement in the processor, as I think they should have, at least they should have given Snapdragon 630, which would be a quite good thing and which would be an improvement in this phone. As the gaming performance of mid-range, I tried only two games, which are Subway Surf and Angry Birds. So I like the gaming performance. There were no hitting issue, but I tested on a small game. You can even play high graphic games on it. The speed of the phone is quite good as compared to others in this price range, but the phone is same like the Redmi Note 4. There were no improvements in the design of this phone. Like it was the same like the Redmi Note 4, the position of camera, fingerprint sensor, and all of the things. Just the improvement is in the thickness of this phone, which is 8 mm, and the display size, and the display is not even great. So now the rating of this phone comes. So for design I would rate this phone 8 out of 10, as the thickness of this phone is not much thinner than the Redmi Note 4, and the bezels of this phone are not as small as we wanted. So 8 is good for this phone. For camera, this phone would get 9 out of 10, as the camera is great but there were no improvements. So 9 out of 10 would be great for this phone. As it comes to performance, this phone would get 9 out of 10, as the performance of this phone is great and there are slight improvements than the Redmi Note 4. Not much, but there are slight improvements. Overall rating of this phone will be 8.5, because at the price of 12,000 you're getting a 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal memory with this 18:9 aspect display, small bezels, 12 megapixel camera, front flash with 5 megapixel camera. So this is a good combo device. So this was my review about this phone. So thanks for watching this video. Do give this video a like if you agree with me, and do subscribe my channel Technology Inbuilt, and do press the bell icon to get the notification at the first. Thank you.